Okay, nice. It's working perfectly, I guess. I have no audio yet. Okay, so we have here a blank scene. It can be set through the save startup file. It is not important, to be honest. Okay, so the first important step is having the proper add-ons. We need this one, which is the latest version of MrWonko importer, exporter, or Jedi Academy tools, and then the skeleton tool from Maui, on which I have collaborated. It will help to make some stuff with models. I will just print them in the chat, so we have them ready. Skeleton tool. Okay, on Twitch. Okay, I think these are the ones that should be updated. I will remove this now. Okay, perfect. Okay, so the first thing is getting the tags. How can we take the proper tags for Jedi Knight Academy, for example? We go to per folder. So we will go to the program files, Jedi Academy game database, and then we will go to the models, players, and we will take Kyle, for example, which has all its tags ready, and we import it. Now we have here Kyle. We only want one root so far, so we just remove all the hierarchy, and now we have a problem, which is we will be using the skeleton tool, and it's important to unparent every tag before we are removing the pieces, or they will lose the rotation by the parenting. So we just take all. It isn't a problem, as we have this tool which will do automatic parenting, and we go Alt P, clear and keep transformation, so it splits up as individual objects. Now with this tool we select message and caps and hit here, and now as you will see, if we go to normal mode, it is also selecting the caps that are inside, and we go select this and remove. Given everything is unparented, it will remain in the same position as it was, and this is our base to start modeling on it. But there is a anything mirroring flash for Jiggy. Good. I don't understand the question that it was made. Okay, so we are going to the chat is someone asked something, so we have somewhere. I do with anyone's gonna write anything, but okay, we should have it anyways. Oh, we can drop it here. I didn't know. nice. Okay, so this is our base mesh, and this is the first part where we are going to do modeling. We just build a cube here, and we will give it a subdivision modifier in generate subdivision surface. We don't want it to be very high poly, so we are going to use to keep to a strict minimum. And we have this here. We are going to start by doing the legs, so we just drop it here. We coordinate with the skeleton, because that's gonna be important in the weighting process after it. And then we are going to scale it a little bit because we want it to be closer to the bone. And now we are going to make an extrusion here to have something like a foot. And then we are going to make these ones so it gets the size of the boot. We're going to bring it like here, because this part gonna be the hips, like this. We are going to make it to have some more verts, and another one more like here, and then extrude these ones. And pull it here, like here. And now we are going to make a movement of this. Like that. We are only going to do a basic shape, of course. Not very detailed, not even with the textures. And now we can add a mirror modifier. This cube is gonna be LLX0, I mean, it's the left one. We are also renaming the mesh. We have to do a cleanup given we have a previous L leg. So we are going to do a mirror modifier, and we are going to mirror this one. We're going to mirror along the skeleton so it lands it perfectly. And here we are. Okay. So we have here this area. Now we are going to span it, and we are going to take this part also, and we are going to select and separate it. This is going to be hip 0. And we are going to do like something like this. We're gonna rotate this one, make it like clipping, and if possible we are going to move these ones as if they were real pants. It doesn't need to be very detailed. I will add here I need some clipping here. It hasn't clip anything. Okay, so let me redo this. Remove the look good. Okay, so we remove the look good and we insert some clip in here. Same for this. We should make this one a single piece. Maybe I've broken this a little bit. I just should have, okay, like this. This is what I want to do. Remove the merge and this, like this. Okay. Now we select auto merge and we should merge all these birds. Not doing a very good modeling, to be honest. It is a very bad modeling. I'm just going to remove this and do it again. This is like the femur, so we're going to reach like there. Add here some birds, make some clipping. Then extrude this one. Extrude. Like this is not working. Maybe I'm trying to overcomplicate myself. I just going to go back, make a new piece, and fuck it, you know. A new cube. And from here I'm going to make already the mirroring and get a subdivision surface. We keep it simple. Probably it's not going to be very consolidated with this one. And here we are going to bring this one here. And let's try again. Okay, it looks more, doesn't it? Yes, now is the result, expected result. This one has to be second one. Looks like I'm trolling, but I'm not. Looks like I'm trolling, to be honest. And like keep it like this maybe, and then do the extruding. Okay, this looks better, to be honest. So we are going just to take this away. Okay, like that. I should make some clear topology. I don't know why it has that many birds up here. Like I should be able to remove this. Looks like some kind of clip. Nah. So now we are extruding next part. It seems that there's some loose birds here. I don't really understand what's happening here. Let me just start from the beginning. Okay, so you will get a cube here, get a subdivision modifier, then get a mirror modifier. First I'm going just to make the first area here, like this. So we have here the foot, then we span this up here. Okay, looks so far. Okay, very looks like a lake, doesn't it? Okay, nice. Modeling, getting the shape. I'm modeling very bad because I'm nervous. Question is, how can we make this together? Should be able to make a mirror modifier along this. Make some clipping, reduce this distance, but it's not properly working. It's not properly working. I guess last before I have to place this here, but it's not getting the auto merge. And same for here for the clipping. But it's like ignoring some. Okay, nice. I was extruding and that was creating unnecessary birds, I guess. So now we have our good hips here. Looks like a medieval person. But it's okay for our purpose. That is teaching how to do a GK model from zero. It doesn't need to be very detailed, to be honest. It's going to make the basic shape of what a model would be. Now take here, like this, and like getting this like this. Now we are going to extrude everything here. Okay, we're going to make a detailed elbow like we did with the. Okay, I need to be fixing this. I'm going to remove this so far, like this. And we make a nice elbow maybe we need to reduce the overall faces. We just select faces and make a reduction of the arms, and same for the wrists. Okay, we need a little bit here of, okay, nice. It starts looking like a model. Maybe it's too far away, it needs some back here, because this is the tags for the weapons, and they are very far away from here. Okay, let's go straight to making the hand. Okay, first I'm going to make a division here for the hand. Okay, let me see. Okay, here I need the hand to be here. Okay, so I'm picking this. Should we trade here like this? I think I just should get this here, go back here before splitting, and make still some maybe we should be able to make a finger from here. That's gonna be done afterwards. Now we are going to make a simple head like this. La suerte. La suerte. Okay. Now let's make a face for this. And extrude the face a little bit. Okay, we have a basic shape, very basic shape. The face like this. Okay, we have our basic shape model. Let's say it's basic shape tutor. Okay, we are going to make some additional shaping here. And here for the chest also. Chest sheet. Okay, nice. Some rotation so it fits more. Like this. Okay, now these are basic shape. I'm not going to detail anything. I'm just going to make the basic parts of it. So we already have this. Let me make the foot bigger, a little bit bigger, so it looks like more proportional. Okay, we're going to name it hip 0. Let me pure use that. Get my new name. Okay, so this and this one, and maybe also this. No, yes, this is gonna be the legs. Okay, now here we want to merge the middle now we're going to take like this area and select this as the hips. These are going to be the real hips. Maybe I should leave the renaming for afterwards. Now I take here. Torso should be like all of this. All of that. Okay, this is gonna be the head. Should make it like this, fit a bit more. I think this should be okay. Maybe add some make a bit of rotation here. Okay. I can't remove this as I left. Whatever. Okay, this is torso 0. We only have here. Okay, we are going to make the splitting here and select by loose parts. This is gonna be LL arm 0. And this one is gonna be R arm 0. Here we have also to separate these ones. Maybe here and here. And select everything here. we start having our parts renamed. This is head 0, and this is our legs. Leg 0, and we are going to make the separation by loose parts. We have first to apply this. Now we can go on by loose parts. Forgot to turn this on, fuck. This is very bad. And maybe we should start from the beginning. This is just the opposite. Let's see. Let's see. Is everything properly named? Seems like so. Okay, we are going to make some detail here. I should have done this before, but we can simply join them. Well, I'm not going to make the detail in the hands in this option. So we have already our model, and one important thing is to attach every part of the model to the. So we are going to make a deform armature. We are going to select the skeleton root, and then we are going to copy this modifier over. I'm going to make it better here with only one modifier. I think it might give a problem. So we're just going to select everything. And that's the last one, and then just copy modifiers. This is a problem I was talking about. I just want to copy one modifier. Will I'll be able to do that? I don't know. We can also set it manually. I can copy. Copy single modifier.
If you could imagine an ideal way of working, what would it look like?
Okay, was missing a button. Just want to go here, then select here and set copy to selected. And now they should be everyone with the armature. Okay, nice. We have our proper convention names, so we are just going to go here, skeleton tool, parent mesh, parent caps, and we have everything on our proper convention names. So we are finished our base model for GKA with our previous model, making a basic shaping. So we're going to make a basic texturing, so I'm going to make a proper scene for this. We want here to have proper UV editor, and if possible move this to this. Okay, we create a new, name it boot. We can just create simple output like a Voronoi texture and set it up like this is going to be the we need for a color around here. Give it a brownish like this, then set it to color, then we get the bump node and set it to normal position and normal. We get the Voronoi, and then here we get this, the base color. Just like a basic shape. We want it here like this. We can increase the scale to make it like somewhere good. For this I'm going to use a simple node instead of the Voronoi, I think, like this. I'm going to give it some more detail. Okay, this is going to be the here. Just copy the material here. Like this. Just to make good, then make a unique one, size hips. Maybe make it like darker. Then I'm going to make this like the hips and make a single user for this and torso. Maybe a banana. Same for this one. and one for the hands. A new material, and just give it some noise texture. Send a bump node, select the factor to height, then to normal. Set a color ramp. And give it some kind of make some scale. I don't like this at all, but it's just a basic shape. I don't want to make it anything detailed, otherwise I will have to be here for many hours. We could just make the shape of this by going here, and then from here making some possible fingers. Like this. You can just make some fingers like this, not need to be very detailed. Just because I want to make some weighting about them. So we have to more or less, as you see to there. Need this mode back. We can make a fingertip. And we have a hand. I haven't selected mirror modifier, so it's going to be just one-handed. Although this is the largest one, it has an additional tag here. This is the one I should have done, so I'm not going to do it fast. Okay, so we just take here this. Okay, so we have here this, like this, set like this, from here, that's okay. We can make additional one here. and we have our hand. It's like very beautiful force, I know. Okay. We're going to be here the same. Hand, okay, hand. Okay, we have our basic shape, basic texturing, and now I'm going to do the important part, which is the use of the model, which are the most important part. I'm going to mirror this one, and also hit here the subdivision surface. Check. Same here. 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 Okay, I'm back here. So now what I want to do is make some nice U's. These three use the same material, so I can make them together. I just make image, use texture, new image texture, and set this as skin, for example. Okay, so we have hit this here. We are going to make U's. By the way, where is okay? We first need to make an unwrap. It looks like it makes this automatic one very good, but for example the hands are going to be like this, so we have to make seams so that this unwraps properly. So we're going to make one here. We have to reach these 2 points, and also, if possible, make also one here, and also around the thumb, and just mark seam. And we have a nice unwrapped seam. We're going to do the same with this one. We go here, and oops, on here another mark. I don't want these to be together, so we'll just make this like this, the seam, mark seam. I have to make some separation in this area. Wrap should be, it's not the same because I should have done them together, but it's okay, it will make a nice UV. So we now select the 3D objects, we make unwrap, and it will be set in the image like this. And we go for a baking. We go here. Where is the baking? We first have to do some tweak here. We'll have to set as color, we'll set environment texture. And environment texture we will search in Blender. In version bin data files, studio lights, world, and studio. So we have the same here. Now we are going to go here and to have a night shading, we are going to make only render one object. So we're going to get this here, everything here, select hierarchy, get into the collection. Select hierarchy and get in the collection. Know what's happening here. Select hierarchy and go here. I don't know what happened now. Okay. Okay, nice. Vale. I was in object mode. Screen tag is on, yes, it is. But it doesn't have space, it seems. We go here, select hierarchy and set it into collection. So now I can only render the parts that I want. And now I get here, select, and I just select with click, hold click on, and we just select these areas. We go to wireframe mode, so it takes less time to load. With 8 random samples for this sheet should be okay. And we go and make. It's here now in the next, in this version is here. Since that is finished already. For some reason, this is black. It's like an internal face that is there, that's why it looks so odd. Okay, and we save this. Go and save as skin png gph targa raw. We make a new folder which is tutorial. Okay, we do the same once. We go image texture, arms, we go here, blah blah, we set this here, we make the U's. Let's see if it unwraps. It doesn't unwrap properly, so we need to add one UV. Mark the scene, unwrap. Maybe we'll what here, except this one. Marking. So we keep that open. I don't really like this. It should be made like half area maybe. Marks in and unwrap. Okay, we can maybe add some seam here. I don't know what part is that, but simply removing this last burst and unwrap like that. Same for this one, we just take here, mark seam and unwrap. This is like the full unwrap, but I'm going to leave at least one bird out. In the cut, in the second cut, I want at least one vertex out. Unwrap, already unwrapped. Now we go, I think we can get some more pieces together. For example, this one, which is a different material. We just get image texture. For this image texture, we take the arms one. We're going to bring it into torso. Torso here. So this is all torso. So we select everything. Okay, remove this tick, and we are going to bake it. I forgot to unwrap this last one. This is okay. That's a good, still a good unwrap. Okay, and now we can do the same for this. We can just make a new texture, image texture. Okay, so then select the objects. This one needs to be first applied. Now we make an unwrap. We see we have very bad oops, so we'll have to mark this one. Select mark scene. Same for this one. Marking your unwrap. We can do the same for here. Mark some scenes like here. Okay, this looks unwrapped. Okay, this one was very bad. As you can leave it in one only piece. So we can just unwrap again, get this, and make like this, and unwrap. Then we just get 3, unwrap, and we have very similar UUs. We can make them together. Hips not available for rendering. Okay. And we wait. We go here, hips. I will be by saving these ones. Was this cancelled? Didn't finish. I didn't finish them manually. Okay, we have it ready. So we're gonna save it. Target row, hipstigia. And we're still missing one, I guess. This one. We save that. Hips, it's not hipstigia, it's skintigia. And we're missing one, which is torso maybe. Torso here, okay. Torso. Target row, and there we go. With this we are finishing the texturing part. Okay, we're going to make the weighting part. For weighting we have to select the armature, then the object, and then go weight and paint mode. It's better to have X-ray. And then there's two options. You can hit only the front faces, or you can unselect front faces only and fall off to projected and select the whole thing. So we are going to select everything of this like that, and this we have to do it manually for each object. In reality we can just duplicate, but I'm going to do it manually. So we make this. We have like this. This only provisionally, because we have to see the output of this. Now we go for the next part. We take here a little bit of this, then we just want to make it. We have very few vertices, so it's not good. Okay, it's not anything good because we have so little vertices that it can't work properly. It won't be able to have a good weight. Okay. Just to keep clavicle like this. And we can set some cervical here. We don't want the humerus here, to be honest. We go here. Okay. And still we don't want the latest vertices to be there. This is only a little bit. Same for this has to be divided, this one and this a little bit also. We want this with our clavicle, I guess. We have to test it afterwards, so don't worry. We have to select this, then this, then this. Okay, I've done it wrong. I want to set this. Okay, in the hand here, we mostly leave the whole hand, except maybe some part here. And we select also the bones, pink, not very detailed to be honest, pink, 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 pink. That's enough for our mock. Same for this. Okay, we select this, give it a good handle of it, then we reduce it and just very little hit here, click, pluck, block, look. There we are. We haven't weighted this yet. Yes, we have. So only head missing. Okay, a little bit here, very little bit. We can hit the cranium for the whole thing. The face. It's more or less the same, I would say. We could set some eyes. Not really, it should be more professional, but nah. Okay, that's enough. So we have already weighted it. And now we're going to start with the preparation for exporting. So now we hit set G2 properties. We have to go to Al, set G2 props, and it will give their properties here along the according to the name automatically. And we can also create a scheme. We can set the saving folder. We set the folder first, then the name, tutorial. It will get the first material selected object, I think. So this should be named, to be honest, like the image, like this should be torso. Wait. Apparent torso. Okay, we can make a new material, for example. Here, new material, set name torso. Okay. So I'm just going to, I will have to rename it, like, and it's going to be a problem with this too. So I'm just going to make a new, I'm going to rename this one, make a new torso, name it torso, get an image texture, open the torso TGA and directly plug in, and this is going to be I'm going to change these ones so it gets the image texture directly, like this. Same for the head. Just going to make a new one, naming the skin. In the skin I get the image texture, and get skin, plug it in, remove the old one, select the rotten one. This dips, it's getting me a different one, so I have to go here, skin, and change it. Looks like I have to do some purging. I don't want to purge it yet. Looks like the same. Hips and torso are the same. Okay, this was a problem then. Head and hand. Okay, so we have to make a new one. This is skin. We have to bake it, I guess. I just want the selected ones. Pick. It's not getting me proper views. Okay, now yes. Now I have to save this as a skin. And let's see if this time it worked properly. Still feels it's like the materials are connected or something. Make it unique. I need a unique copy of this. Save it, skin. And then select skin. Okay, should be working now. Nice. Skin. Nice. Okay, I have to redo this one because they were linked. This one not needed to make a copy of that one, but make a new material named hips, and name, which I'm going to make new image texture. Get the hips TGA, remove the old ones. Okay, we have it. Nice. So this is going to be named hips.tga. This one is going to be named torso.tga, and this one is going to be named skin.tga. and then this should be working with everything as synced by default with the plugin. Okay, now we are going to try, we have to do something first before exporting, which is triangulation. Otherwise we won't be able to export. Now we just make export GLM and select, I don't know if this is appearing on the screen, let me fix this real quick. I want to add also Blender file view. Nice. Okay, nice. Here we want humanoid, then we want to go to program files, Academy, again database data, and then select here models. We want this base path, we can print it here, model.glm. Let's see if there's some issue. Invalid base path, let me fix it. Maybe removing this invalid base path, looks like not working properly. Let's try this. I don't know why it's not working. I'm just going to make a change. I'm going to Kyle here, for example. I think it had to be relative, maybe. Like that. Invalid base path. I don't know what's happening. Did it export now? Looks like it's exported properly now. Okay, nice. We can also remove this here. Should also work. Okay, nice. We already have our GLM. Okay, we are going to make the testing now. We are going to make a new folder named tutorial. We are going to drop model GLM in tutorial. We are going to bring here from our tutorial, should be here, tutorial. Okay, we should just copy this over. It should have everything on point. I think I'm not missing anything. Model default scheme, blah 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 blah. Okay, we are going to take open one for this. Make it real quick. Or we can just simply take MB2. Maybe also take. I have to check this. Sorry. Cualquier aplicación, pantalla completa, propiedades. Okay. MB2 should take directly this one. being shown, yes. By active or receive. Next model. Okay, this error is due to using the wrong format. It should be fixed. Okay, it's because I used for this one Targa instead of Targa raw, but I'm going to double check anyways. Targa raw. And torso. And save as Targa raw. Raw. Now we are just going to make an update here. Render map in here. And we take these two, views these three. Go here, back here, back here, back here. We copy, we paste. We open again. Let's see if I can run this. I need to check if it's been shown in screen. Okay, I have crashed. Okay, so I'm going just to keep this one. It worked. Hello, I've been live. I've been live like 6 minutes. Is okay then. Okay, we have to make some fixes in waiting. This is like too high. It shouldn't be that high. So just remove this. We add here some femrex. So it makes aperture bending. This already has like this, okay. We do the same, we remove some here. We add some here. And voila. Then we have a need here. Okay, well, I didn't choose this. Okay, nice. That is maybe very high. I should remove this piece and go here. Choose this. remove hips from here completely, and then add these here, like this. Now we go here, Julian, and export again here inside. Now we can go for another try. Let me fix that again. Second try. I think the problem is here, basically. Yes. It's like consuming too much of here. Instead of upside. Maybe we shouldn't have this man here. It should be exclusively for there. We have some more hips maybe. This is not a exact science, and we should also remove anything from here. So okay, it's not weighted. Nice. Okay, and this maybe shouldn't be that up there. Shouldn't be that up there. Let's make a second try. This is the last try. Given it is a troll model, I'm just going to make it. Okay, I hope that was in a scene, so I'm just going to go here. It's more or less now. It's more or less okay now. Looks like let me increase the 50%. 0. Okay, we have finished